What's up, y'all? It's your boy SFN, man. Checking in. Where we get them in pieces and we put these bitches together, man. Right now, man, I'm at the casino right now, man. This is my casino, man. I'm checking out I'm out here looking at cars, man. I got this motorcycle on here right now. Motorcycle. Oh, it's too bad for me, but that'll be good for a motor right here. Be a good car for a motor right here, man. For some parts. You can hustle, man. Let's see what this finna go. That's what I started this channel for. You can hustle, man. This what my day consists of, man. So, I'm just trying to share it with the world. This a beamer for the Lowski. I'm just trying to share what I do with the world, man. Damn, they sold that one so quick. Ooh. Reserve off. It's a nice look. Probably nice whip, man. They got that out the way. One of these money makers. See, look, little to no money, man. Reserve off. This how you start with little to no money. That's what I be saying when I say little to no money. Sold for $275. This how I make my money. Sitting here looking at this boring ass screen. This is my casino right here, man. Go make the money and then spend it all at the casino, baby. This is my casino. What they doing with this? That one might be down a little too far right here. But you might got some more good parts on it. This might go for what? 700, 650 or 700. 650 or 700. Sale pending. Oh man, nobody get it. Look, 250. Little to no money in this run and drive. Reserve off. Then a reserve off at 300. I like to do my research on the cars first though. I'm just chilling today looking through the auction, trying to see, you know, what's popping. But man, this shit is easy, bro. But you can start with little to no money. Say you up $1,000 and get popping, man. You know what I'm saying? This shit so easy, my kids can do it, man. The casino, baby. Look at this, bro. See me, I might be interested in this, bro. Oh. 700. They don't really need that much work. Sale pending. Oh, I ain't get that. Oh, $400. 370 Fizzle is missing the keys. See, these the type of risk you gotta take. It's missing the keys, but if you can get it for $400 bucks, you in there. Ooh, that's a nice little whip right here. A little minor damage. It run and drive. It got the keys. I might need to look into this one if it don't sell at auction. Good mileage. The reserve off. This one gonna sell today, y'all. But man, this my day, man. This the life that I do, man. Look at this boring ass screen and make bank. Ooh, I got one of these now that need a motor. It don't run. I gotta do my research on this one if it don't sell. Oh, it's gonna sell. I should have did my research on it. I should have did my research on this one. This one finna sell though.
Sold.
$650. I could have had
Reserve
that.
off.
Oh,